This is a 1965 non-tilt turn signal switch. Okay, so I just put this screw in there because we don't have the lever for it right now. So see how it goes. So you'll notice these ears aren't broken, which is a common problem. And now basically when you want to disassemble this and take this apart, you have to take these out of the connector. Here's the connector, and we'll send you a video of how we kind of took this apart here. But this is what you need to fish this back through. So these weren't really meant to be serviceable, but if you feel like you want to drill these out and re-rivet it to your column, their column's already painted to the color, desired color, then be my guest. Alright, but this is how it's meant to be serviced. Now, put white lithium, we get just a little bit of penetrating oil, but please put white lithium grease once this is all done, ready to go in the car. And then you can kind of reassemble everything from there. Alright.